Hello viewers, I am Chandralal or once again teaching you the basic concepts of mathematics. In the previous lecture we had discussed about the binary operation, composition table and the properties of the binary operation. Today we are going to move forward and doing some more important things. So next most important thing in the in understanding the groups is groupoid. Groupoid is actually an ordered pair of the set and the binary operation defined on that set. That ordered pair is called a groupoid. Its definition is an ordered pair of the set say S and the binary operation say star just like this one is called a groupoid. For example, in the previous class we understood that addition is the binary operation on the set of natural numbers. So the ordered pair of the set n and the operation of addition defined on set n is a groupoid. So the ordered pair of n and plus is a groupoid. The ordered pair of w, that is a set of whole numbers, and multiplication is also a groupoid because multiplication is a binary operation defined on the set of whole numbers. So this was the concept of groupoid. Now there is another concept in the groups, that is semi-group. This is a semi-group or associative groupoid. Semi-group or associative groupoid. Semi-group or associative groupoid. Associative groupoid, from the name we conclude that this is actually the groupoid in which the binary operation associative in the set under discussion. So if any binary operation, suppose star, is associative in the set say S, then the ordered pair of the set S and the binary operation star is called a semi group or associative groupoid. Again, I want to give you at least one example of the associative groupoid or the same group. That if now we know that addition in the set of matrices of order 3 is associative. So the set of the ordered pair of the set of matrices of order 3 and addition is also a same group. So if M3 means the set of matrices of order 3 and the binary operation of addition. So this ordered pair of the set of matrices of order 3 and addition is a semi group. So this was the concept of semi group or associative groupoid. One more concept, that is the commutative groupoid. From the name we can conclude that commutative groupoid is that groupoid in which commutative property is satisfied or verified. So commutative groupoid is an ordered pair of the set the binary operation star is called commutative groupoid if and only if A binary operation B is equal to B binary operation A for all A and B both belong to the set S. So this is a commutative groupoid. Now next, and a semi group with identity is called monoid. The ordered pair of the set of natural numbers and the binary operation multiplication is a semi group. Now here in the set of natural numbers, one is the identity element. So this ordered pair, which is called a groupoid and which is also a same group because associative property is satisfied with respect to the multiplication in the set of natural numbers, and one is also included in that set. That's why this groupoid is called a monoid. Now next thing which we are going to discuss, which is the most important thing, and its name is ultimately a group. Group. And ordered pair of a non empty set, say S, and the binary operation star, that is the ordered pair of S and star, is called a group if and only if three conditions are satisfied. Now, what are these three conditions which must be satisfied? The one, the binary operation star is associative. In S, 2, there exists an ordinary element, say E, in S, and third, there exists an inverse element, say S dash of S in S, such that S binary operation S dash is equal to S dash binary operation S is equal to E. So this is a definition of a group. Group, I once again repeat, is that ordered pair of the set and the binary operation defined on the set if three conditions are satisfied. The one, the binary operation should be associative, and that's it. There exists an identity element, and that's it. And each element of that set under discussion has an inverse with respect to the binary operation defined. Now we are going to discuss the abelian group or commutative group. The abelian group is actually that group in which commutative property is satisfied. So a group, suppose that is the ordered pair of the state S and the binary operation star, is said to be an abelian group if star is star or binary operation is commutative in S. So simply a group in which the binary operation under discussion is commutative in the set. So we discuss about the groups and the chapter is now complete according to the syllabus of the first year of Syntax Book Board Jam Showroom. To understand more about the groups, you solve the 3 exercises of the chapter number 5, and these exercises are 5.1, 5.2 and 5.3 to understand the concept of the groups in detail. Thank you very much.